Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's gaining a lot of attention: sexual energy and semen retention. If you're curious about how these concepts can impact your life, stick around. First, let's talk about sexual energy. In many cultures, it's seen as a vital life force. It's not just about physical attraction, it's about creativity, motivation, and overall vitality. When harnessed, this energy can be transformative. So, what does that have to do with semen retention? Simply put, semen retention is the practice of avoiding ejaculation to conserve sexual energy. Some people believe that by doing this, they can enhance their mental clarity, creativity, and even spiritual growth. There are many benefits that come along with semen retention, but there are some benefits which almost every person will notice. Here are some benefits that many experience. Increased energy and vitality. Enhanced focus and productivity. Improved self-control and discipline. Heightened spiritual awareness. Better emotional balance. Their eyes will become brighter. They also will notice that they start to feel more alive. Now, let's break down the science a bit. When you retain semen, your body produces testosterone more efficiently. It is well known that when you retain your semen for at least 7 days, your testosterone levels will greatly increase. Higher testosterone levels can lead to more energy and a greater sense of well-being, which in turn will give you a greater sense of self-worth and confidence. When you retain your semen, you are also retaining all that which it takes for the body to make the sperm in the first place. The seed of man is full of invaluable substances, vitamins, minerals, and fats. The body has a process of breaking down the unused sperm, so you do not have to worry or concern yourself about any problems in that area. I would also like to mention that the head of the sperm itself contains the very DNA that is also a part of what makes you the human body watching and listening to this video right now. When you waste this fluid by masturbation, you might get a rush of dopamine, but it is at the expense of these fluids which contain the essence to create another human being. Because your body is retaining semen, it is also reabsorbing all that which is not spent. I want you to know that this is a very vital energy source. Therefore, many people who practice semen retention report feeling more energized and focused in their daily lives. They find that their creativity soars, and they are more in tune with their emotions. It's not just a physical journey, it's a mental and spiritual one as well. It's also important to approach this practice mindfully. It's not about repression, it's about understanding and channeling your sexual energy. Listen to your body and be aware of how it affects you. Here are some tips if you're considering trying this. Start slowly. Begin with small goals, like a week, and see how you feel. Meditate. Focus on your energy and emotions. Meditation can help you channel your sexual energy positively. Exercise. Physical activity can help you manage excess energy and improve your mood. Stay engaged. Dive into hobbies, projects, or learning. Keep your mind and body active. Remember, this practice isn't for everyone. The reason I say this practice is not for everyone is because there are plenty of men who are married to a wonderful woman who share their sexual energies with. I want you to know that your sexual energy as a man, when shared with your wife, is a most beautiful and wonderful blessing. And that's totally okay. The key is to find what works for you and enhances your life. If you decide to explore semen retention, approach it with an open mind and heart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and wellness. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried semen retention? What was your experience?